Let me show you how to make this lobster fried rice. This is definitely a dish I'd make to impress someone or on their date night. That lemon butter cream sauce took it right over the top, and guess what? It's not even that hard to make, baby. You first want to start by peppering some onions, peppers, and garlic, and then we're going to use some Chinese sausage as well. I butterfly 2 lobster tails and season with my very nice salt pepper seasoning. It's going to bring in so much flavor. Check it out if you haven't already. I also seasoned and cooked a piece of salmon in the same pan that I'm going to cook the fried rice in just to bring in some of that flavor. You can either plate it with the dish or just save the piece of salmon for another dish tomorrow. The choice is yours, baby. After sauteing the Chinese sausage and the onions, we're going to throw in the rice. I'm using basmati rice, and I cooked it the same day. Stop believing that myth that it has to be a day old. Add in some butter, because everything's butter with butter, man. Make sure you add some egg pieces as well and some poached lobster claw meat, and you good to go with that one. For the lemon butter cream sauce, saute onions, peppers, and some garlic. Add in the cream with some of my very nice salt pepper seasoning. Shred in some Parmesan Reggiano. Add the lemon juice, taste for quality, and you good to go, baby. Now, the last step is the easiest step. Add in some mustard to the already seasoned lobster tails. Coat it in some flour and add it to some hot grease. This shouldn't take long at all to cook. Wait till it gets golden brown, about 3 minutes each side, and all you gotta do is eat, baby. Very nice.